My name is Jessica. I am almost 38 years old, and I am here for a lower face and neck lift with CO2 laser resurfacing. After a substantial weight loss, I noticed that the laxity in my face and lower neck just weren't rebounding. And that's when I realized I wanted to do something, despite my age, which sometimes seems taboo. I found Dr. Sadati on Instagram, actually, looking at facelift pictures. For me, finding a surgeon that specialized in the face area was very important to me. There's an abundance of surgeons in Orange County, but for me, someone that specializes in one area really can hone their craft, and that was important to me. When I met and had a consult with Dr. Sadati, I really appreciated his confidence, and he was very thorough, and sure enough, he covered everything. It was very important to me in my search to find a surgeon that would do my facial procedures under twilight sedation. I have been under general anesthesia more times than I'd care to have gone under, and it's risky. The recovery's harder. I always woke up from it feeling just really ill. And after having a facial procedure done, the last thing I wanted to worry about was waking up feeling sick. You want to make the recovery as easy as you can on yourself. I remember during my procedure having small bits of conversation with the doctor and the staff in the room. It was easy. I didn't feel anything. So if people are concerned that they might, feel something, if they're not, asleep enough or numb enough, that's just absolutely nothing like that happened. My recovery was easier than I had anticipated. I came home that evening, I went to sleep, I rested a lot, I followed all the instructions. By the way, they give you very thorough instructions, like what to do each day. You get all kinds of tools to bring home. You're not just sent on your way after having your procedure done. You're very well instructed and advised and taken care of. I also was able to email my nurse a few times with just questions, because this is all new to me. I could send her pictures, I could send her questions. She always responded. I just felt I had a connection to the office even when I was at home, and I wasn't healing on my own. I'm really happy with my results. My under eyes was just such a big difference. I can't even tell you how happy I am that I went along with the under eyes and got my herniated fat pads taken out. It just made such a difference, and the doctor actually told me there was quite a bit of fat under there. He was a bit shocked for someone my age to experience that. I look like me. I still look like me. I look like a refreshed version of me. I don't feel like the tired old version anymore. My husband told me I just look like a younger version of myself, and I've just been told that I look great. Oh, you look great. Oh, you look great. Oh, wow, you look great. And so that's what I was after. I think when people think facelift, that's what they're after. They're not after, hey, you look done, you look pulled, you look tight, you look, different. So for me, that was so important because I am young. I want to look like me. I would recommend Dr. Sadati to a friend. I actually have recommended him to a family member. If I could advise anyone that's debating this procedure or looking for a surgeon, I would say you just start here. You might not need to keep searching. You might feel the way I did and feel comfortable enough and reassured enough and just excited enough to make this step with this doctor. I want to say a heartfelt thank you to the doctor and to everyone that works here. I'm so happy, I'm so thankful for this opportunity. I worked really, really hard to improve my health and to lose a lot of weight so I could be around longer for my family, my kids. They mean everything to me. And for him to match how I felt on the inside to how I look on the outside, it's emotional, because you don't realize when you make big decisions, I'm gonna get healthy, I'm gonna take control of this. You don't realize the unintended consequences. And even though it's vanity, it's external, it meant a lot to me. It meant a lot to me to feel as good on the outside as I now do on the inside. So thank you so much. Great experience, and maybe I'll see you in the future one day.